I would like to share with you how I made collages of birds using leaves, twigs and seed heads I found in my garden. I was inspired by the land artist Hannah Bullen-Ryner. She creates stunning portraits of birds. She arranges twigs, leaves, flowers, petals and berries into tiny birds on the ground as land art. You can research her artwork. There are many photos of beautiful birds created from natural materials. She works outside, and all of her artwork is only there for moments before it's blown away by the wind. I was inspired to have a go at creating one of my own. I looked for leaves of different shapes and sizes, interesting seed heads and sticks. Then I had a go at using the leaves to create birds. The backs are often different colours to the front. How many different colours, shapes and sizes of leaves can you find? I also tried using seed heads inspired by photos of Hannah Bullen-Ryner's artwork. Why don't you have a go? See what you can find and how it inspires you to create different birds using different materials.